Hi all, welcome to Tech channel. Here mainly question about the Google My Business optimization and how we can update from the Google. What are the options you are changing? All will be reached from the Google purpose. Suppose I'm taking this particular map, gayatrimataastrology.com. They will providing faster service in Bangalore and UK. Suppose the map is there. In this map, select here. The option name is called here Google Update. Click for accept here. This complete for Google My Business optimization. Clear selection here. Business name, categories, address, map maker, hour, special hour, phone numbers, website, from the business, opening date, attribute, accessibility, activities. This all will be accepting purpose. Click for accept here. This is a finally accept your location with your Google updates. Then we can selecting from multiple options also will be accepted here. So what are the map you can select? They'll update by the your particular option, any map. So that will be help. Select here, simple option, action here, accept, and here. What are the map you can select and do it your option here. So this will be update from the Google in a particular option. Once it's done, they will show you any changes is not done still. They will update from the Google within a time of period from the Google verify. So this is options are very important. Google My Business optimization purpose we can do for Google updates compulsory important. In an update time, you can compulsory what are the options are here and use. Any option is pending, click that particular one option, click for accept. Suppose address is review, click for address and accept it. Suppose hours are review, phone numbers are review, click and accept it. Individual option also we can accept on the Google. Untick any of the update that you don't want to accept from your selected business. Untick. Nothing but tick is accepted. Untick is nothing but not accepted. So this is compulsory important each Google My Business holders to update the Google My Business option and the Google Update option. This don't forget any Google My Business persons. This will be happen for any local and global users. Suppose I'm in Hyderabad, sir. I can't use, I'm in US. How we can, they will be use or not. Any countries, you are the map is there. We can update from Google. Anything will be review time. They will accept the purpose. So any question about Google My Business or query, you can contact my channel and definitely will be supporting. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe our channel.